She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Born Pretty, and this is a gel polish kit. This is called the Pink Baby gel polish kit. It has six shades in it, and they're 10 milliliters. So we're gonna go ahead and get this opened. I love the bottles. They have that little window there where you can see a little bit of the color. And these colors are called BP, and they go from 01 to 06. The first one is BP01, and this is the lightest pink I think I've ever seen. It kind of looks like it's an off-white, but it's a very, very pale pink. It's really pretty. And this is 02. This one's just a little bit darker pink. Really pretty, like a pastel. Perfect for spring. This is 03. Gets a little bit darker, a little bit brighter. I love this pink. This one's really pretty. Perfect pink color. I love it. This one's 04. And this one is the brightest pink in the collection. And then 05. This is going back to more of a softer pink. And then we have 06, which is a glitter, and this is a really pretty glitter. It's a clear base, and then it has pink glitters. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get these swatched. I'm only going to swatch one just because I've swatched so many Born Pretty kits and polishes, and their consistency is just, it's always the same. I just love it. I mean, their polishes are amazing. They're really easy to work with. They're pretty opaque. So yeah, what I did was I just put base coat on my swatch stick, and I always do that because when I didn't do it, the polish would chip off with a swatch stick, and I like to have the swatch sticks there to see the colors, so I always put a base coat. And so this is the first coat of that. This is the 01, and look how opaque that is. You really don't need a second coat, but I always just do a second coat. But yeah, this is looking really nice. Very, very soft pink. Look at that, how pretty. And then, yeah, I did decide to go ahead and show the glitter one too. Yeah, sorry if my voice sounds a little funny. I'm a little sick. I caught a little something. Just my throat's kind of irritated and I have a little cough. But other than that, I feel fine. But yeah, this glitter's so pretty. Sorry, I was trying to focus on the background. And so these are all the colors here. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Perfect spring Easter pinks. I love it. I did use the no wipe top coat from Born Pretty, so I did 2 coats. And look at, this is 1 and 2. Look how pretty, those very soft pinks. And then we have 2 and 3 where we get a little bit brighter with the pinks. And then 5, 6. So the glitter, I did do 3 coats. I ended up doing 3 coats just to fill in all the little spaces. But I was just trying to hold them up to say maybe if you did a coat or 2 coats of a color and you just put one on, one glitter, it might look pretty. So I'm gonna try that. But yeah, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for my set here. So yeah, we'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna get into this set here. Yeah, you can hear my voice. This is 2 days later, and yeah, I'm losing my voice, so I'm not going to be talking through the video. I'm just going to be showing up on screen what I'm using, but I am using number 2, 4, 5, and 6, the polishes, and then I did use the stamping plate that I got from Born Pretty, and this little charm. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just stop talking and just put everything up on the screen. I'll see you guys at the end. Thank you.
Alright, so this is the finished set here. I think they came out so cute. But yes, thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending me this kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. And they did give me a code to save 15% off on Amazon. It's Sandra15. So yeah, go ahead and pick up this kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. Bye.